Good morning, guys. Today we're taking off the wing. So I don't know, I kind of got bored of it. I mean, it's cool and all, but excuse me, guys, I'm sorry. But I'm not feeling the back look. The front look I love. I found another wing I like. It's a little bit smaller, more narrow angle with that. So we're gonna go ahead and take this thing off. It should be a couple bolts, but we'll see how it goes. And we'll see what else we do today. Might get this thing lowered. Should be getting it lowered. I'm gonna take it till it gets lowered. And the cold air intake's coming in today, so we'll see. Keep y'all in touch. And just like that, the wing is off. Everybody's like, yeah, there's some holes though, but I just put like tape on them, or like it's black vinyl, so it's not that bad. But there it is, y'all. Back to normal. There's the wing. Alright, let's get this done. Alright, guys. The part came in. And what we're going to be replacing is this with this. So this one doesn't have like any hard edges inside. It's by Spawn. And it's going to be replacing that part. So let's see how it fits actually. Because it looks a little bit... yeah, it should be fine. Alright, fuck it. Alright, guys. I'll show you after it's installed. So I'll make a quick comparison about these things. So, see this? Super small. And I don't know if you see those ridges and all that. And it like cuts down a lot. It's not gonna make a big difference at all. It's just gonna make it a little bit more, like I heard it just helps up spool a little bit better, but let's see how it does. If anything better than the stock thing, because that thing, we'll see how it fits. Hopefully it fits nicely, because shit, I don't feel like returning things. Alright, y'all. Oh, actually, look how small this shit is compared to the BMW. This thing's tiny. It's super small. Alright, y'all, it's in. That's how it looks like. But I had to cut off a lot of shit because I was not finna get another intake because I don't want to spend more money. So that's it right there. I'm gonna turn it on. Should be the same shit, but I had to cut so much off, bro. I think there's another couple pieces over there, but because it would sit too high and there's no flex in it. So if you budge it even a little bit, it kinks. So that's where this thing, you know, flexes and stuff, because it can, but those hoses can't flex, so kinks. And that's no point. So I'm gonna turn it on, see how it sounds, and we'll get on with the rest of the day. Alright, y'all. Well, I came to a CARMEET. I think my brother told me about this girl. She goes to like Kendrick Clutch or some shit. Anyways, we're at a CARMEET a little bit early. Like, we weren't even planning on coming here. We were getting froyo, and I saw a bunch of cars and I was like, oh shit, what is that? So we're kind of early, but I'll keep y'all updated some shit. Yeah, shit. Cool. Anyways, we'll keep y'all updated with some shit. If I see some cool shit, we'll probably record some cars and shit. We'll see how it goes. I parked next to BMW. I don't even know. I think this shit abandoned, but it looks nice, and it looks nice, and I like it. So we'll keep y'all updated. Wow, that shit looks nice actually. I'm not even gonna lie. Anyways, we're at a meet. Let's go check out some cars, run into some homies, and see what the fuck's here. Fuck.
Do like another bumper. I did on the road. I don't know.
I wish I had friends like that like save me spots. Got no. Oh, that's his BMW. The silver one?
Who?
The guy I was talking to?
Oh.
Yeah. Let's go look at it. My boy's BMW. Low boy. I know you scratch on everything. Damn, bro. Goddamn, the piston came up. So it's clean. E36. I want an E36 though. Fuck. That's just nice. That boy said I got someone. Oh, that's a nice vent. Oh, it's a cop with the. Oh, that's crazy. Damn, bro, that's fucking goals right there.
Niggas just waiting.
Oh shit, I want to see this though. Oh, he cleared it. Nice. Damn, wide body. All right, yeah, that's it. Let's go home. I'm not as young as I once was. I'm tired. People can stay out here all day and shit. I can't. All right, let's go home. Hopefully y'all like that, cause that's a first for me. So hope y'all like that. Keep y'all in touch. Y'all like my shit, and later.